Welcome to the lesson Application Development using Node.js and Express. In this lesson, you will learn Introduction to Node.js, Events, Streams, Express Framework and building RESTful API, setting up an API gateway using Node and Express, and lastly, you will also learn building serverless app using Node.js. Let me quickly walk you all through this course description. Within this course, you will learn to set up Node.js and you will also learn about the features of Node.js, modules, events and streams in Node.js. Then you will learn about Express framework, building RESTful API using Express with both MySQL and MongoDB. And lastly, you will also learn to verify and REST APIs using Postman. You will understand what is API gateway, working of API gateway, and you will learn how to set up API gateway in Node.js application. Lastly, you will learn about AWS Lambda, DynamoDB and serverless framework, and you will also learn how to create serverless API in AWS using Node.js. So who is the target audience for this course? Node.js developer, web developer, cloud engineers and cloud application developers. The prerequisites that you need to learn this course: install Visual Code Studio for Windows. You need to have basic knowledge of JavaScript and you need to have installed and configured Node.js on your machine. Let me throw some light into the lessons and practices in this course. The first lesson is Introduction to Node.js. In this you will have 4 practices. Then lesson 2 is Events in Node.js. Here you have 2 practices, that is event loop and async patterns and event emitter with an HTTP example. Then lesson 3 is Streams in Node.js. Lesson 4 is Express framework. Lesson 5 is RESTful API using Express. Here also you have 2 practices. Then lesson 6 and lesson 7. Lesson 6 is setting up API gateway using Node.js and Express. You have 1 practice lesson there. And the last one is building serverless app using Node.js. You have 1 practice lesson here. The practices environment is you need to have a Visual Studio Code, MongoDB Compass and MySQL Workbench, Postman application and AWS console. Let me quickly summarize the overview, that is Introduction to Node.js, Events, Streams, Express framework and building RESTful API, setting up API gateway using Node and Express, and lastly building serverless app using Node.js.